talk about the meaning of extramural activities. Extramural activity. What is called extramural activity? The activities which are performed outside the wall or an institution or schools are called extramural activities. The best example for the extramural activities is inter-school basketball championship or inter-school football championships are come in the extramural activities, or whatever the games in the sports are going to be conducted outside the schools, it comes in the extramural activities. The such as the inter-school, inter-districts, inter-states or national levels, it comes in the extramural activities. The students of the two or more school participated in such types of activities. In the extramural activity, you can see in the inter-school levels, lots of schools are participating among themselves, or in the districts level, more than 10 to 15 districts are playing among themselves. It comes in the extramural activities. It also called the inter-school competition, or the basic words we can say it is also called a inter-school competitions. Significance of the extramural tournament. Significance of extramural tournaments. The first point, to provide the opportunity to the school to show the sports abilities. This is the points where they can show the best performance by the school, because the one school is going to represent the extramural activities or extramural tournaments. So this is the platform where the school can show the best team for the sports abilities. Point number 2, for enhancing the standard of the sports performance. To know the ability of the one sports person, it is very necessary to participate in the extramural competitions. If they will participate, then only we can able to know the performance on the standard of the one sports performance of the one individual. Point number 3, provide the appropriate knowledge of the sports techniques. As we know, sometimes we cannot give the proper knowledge about the games and the sports or techno-tactical movements in the games and the sports in the school levels. So once they will go and play, in a different schools among themselves, they can learn lots of technique and knowledge about the game-like conditions. Point number 4, improve the opportunity to participate in the sports. As we know, if they will play the games and the sports, the opportunities to participate in the sports will be more. Their interest will be more, or they can improve more in the game-like conditions. Point number 5, for the making and the implementing the program for the physical education are more effective. If they will participate, they can improve physically, mentally, emotionally among themselves. Now, we will talk about the objective of extramural competition. To provide the students of the sports, or first point number 1, to improve the standard of the sports. If they will participate, the performance can be improved more. To provide the experience to the students. The moments they will go out of the wall, they get the lots of experience while playing with the other teams. Their experience can be enhanced more. Point number 3, to develop the sportsmanship and frequently. If they will go and play with the different schools, they can develop the sportsmanship among themselves, or they can respect the opponents, the coaches and all the players. The sportsmanship can be improved more. Now point number 4, to broaden the base of the sports. This is only the base for the sports person. If they will play, the basic will be improved, and this is the platform where they can go for any more further activities for the national or international level competitions. To provide the knowledge of the new rules and advanced technique. To provide the knowledge of the new rules and advanced technique. Once they will play with the different schools, they will learn the new technique and the advanced techniques to improve the games and the sports, and the standards can be improved more.